Hello students, welcome all of you to the YouTube channel of CS Sheikh. As we all know, we can find out bond orders using MOT. But there are various kinds of bond order. For simple molecules like boron, carbon, B2, C2, N2, there is a trick available. We will see in the upcoming video. But let's begin with the bond order having resonating structures molecule. Important is having resonating structure. In upcoming video, we are going to see the bond order for not having resonating structure. So be careful with the formula and the trick. It is very easy. Just look at the given example. CO3 2 minus, SO4 2 minus, PO4 minus 3, ClO4 minus 1. Firstly, we are going to write down the resonating form. How is the structure of CO3 minus 2? O double bond CO minus O minus. Okay. Next SO4 minus 2. O minus minus S double bond O O minus. Okay. Next is for phosphate O minus P double bond O negative and again the O negative. Similarly for ClO4 minus O C double bond O chlorine double bond O. Okay. Here very important is that you can see it is fully satisfied that minus 2 is present here, and here you can see the two negative symbols. Similarly here also SO4 minus 2 and here it is satisfied. So the resonating structure is very important. Now comes the formula for bond order of resonating structure. Resonating structure. What is the formula? Number of resonating bond upon number of resonating structure. Okay. It is very important that bond is up and structure is downside. So how to remember? In alphabetical manner, in ABCD, the B comes to be earlier one. So B is upside and the S1 is the last alphabet near to last, and so it is downside. This way you can remember bond is upside and structure is downside. Now I will calculate the first one. Similar way you can start calculating the other example, CO minus 3, CO3 minus 2. Now what we have to put is number of resonating bonds. See the structure. How many bonds are present? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So here you can write 4. Now what you have to write? Resonating structure. How many number of resonating structure? It is very easy. Look at this number 3. Just you have to note it down 3. This is your answer. Second bond order. Similar way. Bond order for SO4 minus 2. How to calculate? See, number of bonds, resonating bonds. How many bonds are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So write here 6. Now what to write downside? So here comes the number 4. Write here 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 3s are 6. So 3 by 2 is your bond order. Similarly, you can calculate for phosphate PO4 minus 3. Here is the number of bonds. Calculate bonds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here will come 5 and this number 4. In this way you can calculate fourth one and it will be as a homework for you. Now let's see how to calculate bond order for molecules not having resonating structure. So first example is CO2. Okay, and second example is your N3 minus. As you can see, both of this molecule does not have resonating structure. So formula for this comes out to be formula, or you can say as a trick, number of bonds of central atom upon number of atoms attached to central atom. Okay, Here also you can see number of bonds of central atom. Central one is important, so it will be taken first, and number of atoms attached to central atom will come downside in the denominator. So let's calculate for the CO2. Now CO2 can be written as O double bond C double bond O. Okay, this is very common and we all know. Now write the first value, number of bonds of central atom. How many bonds are formed by the central atom? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So write here 4 in numerator. Number of atom attached to the central atom. It is saying atoms. Okay. How many atoms? 1 and 2 atoms. So here it will be 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. So answer is your 2. 2 will be your bond order for CO2 molecule. Similarly, N3 minus. How this will be written as N minus double bond N. And as you can see, nitrogen has 3 valency, but here one extra bond is available, so we will denote it by positive symbol. So calculate now number of bonds. How many bonds are formed? 1, 2, 3 and 4. What you will write? Denominator 4 upon number of atoms. How many atoms? 1 and 2. So here again the bond order is 2. Okay. Now let's see the trick for the bond order of common molecules. What is the trick for the common molecules? You all know how to remember the trick from bond order for common molecules like B2, C2, N2, any molecule from 1 to 18 electron number. Okay, so let's see the trick. How is the trick? You all know you can write 14 first and then write the 3. Now what is 14 and 3? I will tell you and explain you. Similarly, write downside 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, what you have to do is remember this one. 14 has 3. Reduce this by 0.5. What it will become? 2.5. More you have to reduce by 0.5. This will give you 2. More if you will reduce, it will give you 1.5, and more if you will reduce 1. Similarly, you have to go on reducing here also. What it will come out to be? 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1. Okay, this way. Here also you have to reduce 13, 12, 11 and 10. This way is the trick for the bond order. Now how to do this? You have written this, but what is actually this? This is your, this side will be your bond order. Okay, and this is the number of electron. Number of electron. Now how is the electron? Let's see an example. Carbon. Okay, here I have written carbon C2. It is the molecule. 2 atoms combine and form the molecule. What is the atomic number for carbon? It is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. So find the 12 number. Here it is. Number of electrons are 12. And so you can say the bond order is 2. But how to write this? Remember this way. 14 is equals to 3 and reduce by 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5. Similarly, here also reduce, here increase. Okay, here just we have written the series 10, 11, 12 this way. Now comes the question, what about for 1 to 9? If the electrons are 1, if the electron is 2, how to calculate bond order? It is also having one trick. So let's see that also. Now bond order trick for the molecules from 1 to 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's say up to 9. Okay. How to do this? Now as you remember, for 14 you have 3. Similarly, remember 6 has 1. Okay. 6 has 1. Reduce this by 0.5. Reduce this by 0.5. Again reduce by 0.5. 0. Here also you have to reduce by 0.5. It will give you 0.5. Reduce by 0.5. It will give you 0. Okay na? 0.5 minus 0.5 is 0. So here we got 0. But what next about that? What for the 9? So again you have to start the series. That is, here you will get the 0.5. Similarly, here also we got 0. What after that will come? So again start the series. Start series means this one. Again you have to write here 0.5. After that what? Again 1. and again 0.5. So this one is another important trick. We mostly know about 14 and 3, but this trick is rarely found out. Okay, so here you can see 6 and 1. This way you have to remember, reduce by 0.5, reduce by 0.5. But after 0, what to do? Start the series again. Okay, remember this way. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you have liked the video. Please share with your friends, subscribe and like the video, and do watch for the upcoming more tricks. Thank you so much.